On-screen text, fix Instagram, couldn't refresh feed, 2025. Narration, getting the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram in 2025? Let's fix it in under a minute. On-screen text, Step 1, check internet. Narration, Step 1, check your internet. Open your browser and load any website to confirm your connection is stable. On-screen text, switch networks. Narration, if it's slow or not loading, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or to a different Wi-Fi network, then reopen Instagram. On-screen text, force close and reopen. Narration, next, fully close the Instagram app from your recent apps, then reopen it to refresh the connection. On-screen text, check Instagram servers. Narration, still not working? It might be Instagram, not you. Search Instagram down on your browser or check a status website to see if there's an outage. On-screen text, if servers okay next. Narration, if Instagram servers look fine, move on to app fixes inside your phone. On-screen text, Step 2, update Instagram. Narration, open the App Store or Play Store, search Instagram, and tap update if you see it. Old versions can trigger this error. On-screen text, Step 3, clear cache. Narration, on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your account or posts. On-screen text, iPhone, offload app. Narration, on iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Instagram, and choose Offload app, then reinstall from the App Store. On-screen text, Step 4, check account. Narration, open your profile and look for any warning banners. If your account has restrictions, follow Instagram's prompts to fix it. On-screen text, final, reinstall and try again. Narration, if nothing works, uninstall Instagram, restart your phone, then reinstall and sign back in. This often clears stubborn issues. On-screen text, you're done, white heavy check mark. Narration, your feed should refresh now. Save this video for next time and follow for more quick 2025 tech fixes.